For those of you who barbecue, you probably know that the old wire brush is similar to this. This is not actually one for cleaning barbecue grills, but one that I use for cleaning paint. But we've probably all heard in the news where emergency room doctors are saying that these are not safe. In fact, many of these wires can come off and get stuck in our food, and there's numerous reports of injuries. So all the ones I've had in the past I've thrown out. I do have a pumice stone that I use for cleaning. The only problem is it's quite small, similar to the size of this container, and if your grill is hot, your hand is right there in the heat as well. So there are all kinds on the market of barbecue grills, cleaners, that are made of wood that are really nice. The only problem is probably about $20 each for a piece of wood, something I can make myself. So what I'm going to do today, this is a piece of cedar that is scrapped from leftover from another project. As long as the wood is food grade, don't use something like pressure treated lumber. You can use spruce, whatever. Why recreate the wheel? Just want to kind of groove out a little bit where each one of these numbers of the grill are. Make it a little bit. You can make the dimensions whatever's comfortable for you. For me, this is the scrap, and that's what it was, about 15 inches, just a little over 15 inches long. The paddle part, or the part that does the cleanings, 3 3/4 inches. You can make it forward, make whatever, just that it fits nice in the grill to get the maximum amount of cleaning where I got each of the rungs or wires in the grill. It's just a standard cedar decking board. Fence board might even be a little bit thinner. This is nice and heavy. I just rounded it off. Make it to your own. And this angle that I cut here, just to facilitate cutting these grooves a little better, is it was cut at 45 degrees. And I'll probably just drill a hole here to put a piece of string or wire so I can hang it up out by the grill.
The very first use. Grill's not really that dirty. One of the things you'll find, or should find, is that as the using it more, those grooves will actually wear down and become a little deeper and fit in better. Yes, that works fine. Hand is far enough away from the barbecue to keep it from burning and warm, and the grooves fit just really nice in the grooves. You should make one or two for yourself. When they get dirty, make just from the scrap bin and just throw them away.